Hello guys, and welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment. Theresa slams Ultimate Love organizers. Iykeresa deserves to be winners, not Roskie. The Ultimate Love reality television show season 1 ended weeks ago. Meanwhile, first runner-up Theresa made a rather controversial tweet which suggested that the show was compromised. Theresa feels they deserve to be crowned as the winner of the show instead of Roskie. She tweeted before deleting the tweet that they were deprived of winning while appreciating her fans for their support. This is what she said. She said, "Despite the feeling of being deprived of what we earn, we are most grateful for the real people loving and supporting us," Theresa said on her official Twitter handle. So guys, this is the news coming in today. Theresa is not satisfied with what happened weeks ago. What do you think, guys? Share your thoughts with me in the comment section. And if you are new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when the story drops.